Hey, my name is Abby. I want to teach you a violet flame activation to transmute, purify, and clear any energies that you don't want in your body, in your life, in your soul. You're done with, or just ways to clean up toxic energy out of your body. So we have to do our 12D shield or shield in any way possible. Before this, the 12D shield, it will be helpful. It'll help you understand where we're moving energy through this meditation, and it'll help you understand your multi-dimensional anatomy a little bit more and some other languaging. So I put the link in the bio of how to do your 12D shield. So please do that first, and we'll also be doing it again in the middle of the meditation. Pause the video, check out the 12D shield, and then come back here. Okay, so we will be doing toning, we'll be doing visualization, we'll be seeing, we'll be feeling, however it is that your senses operate and how you best understand the world. Please use those senses. If you get an intuition on how to use something differently, please do that. These are just guidelines on how to run the flame inside your body and how to activate, clear, and purify. But if you see flames or you hear flames or you do some other thing inside your sensory, I'd recommend you going with that. All right. So a little bit more about the violet flame and a little bit more about like why it is that I am teaching this and how I came across this is the violet flame kind of helps me transmute and purify things that aren't mine. And for me as an empath, that's a big deal, as I can walk into a room and feel a bunch of other people's stuff and be like, not mine. Oh no, I feel like I absorbed it in my shoulder and that wasn't mine. Why did I take on that? And I'm sure there's all kinds of analyzation about like why you take on something that isn't yours and our attachments to it and painful empathy and all that stuff. But this meditation kind of helps you clear out that stuff. And maybe you're not an empath. You could also use this limited belief systems inside your body or pain that you held in your body that you haven't paid attention to because you're not sure how to address it. And you could also use this meditation and activation in this way. You can also use it on feelings that you have about the world and what's going on around you, and you can find those feelings inside your body and do transmutation work there. Okay, so again, must do the 12D shield, and we're going to activate that first before we do this next part. So we're going to call on the Cosmic Mother. I see her as aquamarine coloring. And we're going to go and we're going to focus on our inner chambers of our heart. So we're going to get into a regular breath flow, maybe some block breathing where we inhale through our nose and we hold at our heart, we can hold in our nose, we can hold anywhere in our multidimensional body. And then we exhale, and then we do another hold again. We inhale and we hold and we exhale and we hold. Or you can just inhale and exhale naturally. Just find your breathing flow that's most comfortable for you. And allow yourself to focus on the inner chamber of your heart and then start to fall into the heart chamber through all the dimensions to the deepest level, or just flow into the deepest levels, the uncharted territories of your heart with the Cosmic Mother, the aquamarine energy in your breath. Just allow yourself to fall into the deepest levels of your heart. I'm going to go ahead and give us a moment to do that, or you can pause the video. You can pause the video if you want to continue doing this. And then as you're falling into the deepest levels, you're going to see your diamond heart. Yes, you have a diamond heart. You have crystals inside of you. And that's another conversation. So you're going to see the crystal diamond glowing. It is in a cube rotating on its axis. The cube is God's spiritual house. And you're going to, with your breath falling into the chambers, you're going to ignite the diamond into the living heart of God. And you're going to say, or universe, or however it is you see, Great Spirit, God, please ignite your essence into my diamond heart. Source, please ignite your essence into my diamond heart. You're going to feel or see a merge with the Cosmic Mother, Flame, and Diamond. And you're going to tone Ka, Ra, Ya, Sa, Ta, Ya, La. It's basically crystal with a K with a bunch of A's on it. Ka, Ra, Ya, Sa, Ta, La. It's your heart tone. And you're going to feel that oneness. You ignited the diamond heart. You can feel the merge with the Cosmic Mother, Flame, and Diamond. And you're going to tone Ka, Ra, Ya, Sa, Ta, La. You're going to feel that oneness. And you're going to see that diamond growing bigger into a ball of crystal light. A ball that is a mirror with pastel colors. You could say this pastel is the aurora colors. We can talk about that later. And so we're going to push this ball of pastel colors mirroring inside of ourselves, merging. And we're going to push it out our back of our heart chakra and the front of our heart chakra, and then we're going to push it around ourselves, all around and into our 12D shield. And then we're going to imagine the 12D shield and it merging with our 12D shield. And then we're going to lock it down into our Earth Star, which is 12 inches to 36 inches below your feet. You feel the Earth Star or your Merkaba surfboard. That's what I call it. My cosmic surfboard is the Earth Star, or your cylinder floor. And you're gonna bring all that beautiful energy that you created, you're created with, and you're gonna bring it down into your Earth Star, and you're gonna lock it down. And you're gonna anchor, lock, and seal. Say it. Anchor, lock, and seal into my Earth Star now. And you're gonna feel it, and you're gonna breathe your inhales and your exhales into your Earth Star. And take that beautiful oneness and lock it in. Lock it into your Earth Star. And then you're going to see the violet flame in the heart. You can imagine there's a violet flame inside your heart. And you're going to say, Cosmic Mother God, please clear and remove all false light and broken light. You're going to see the violet flame spark in a ball outside the body. And you're going to feel and see it be transmuted and purified. However it is that you express the violet flame. Transmuting and clearing all false and broken light. And then we're going to see the flame in the heart, and we're going to see it as electric violet and electric blue. And we're going to run the flame through all of our energy channels. If you need to look at a meridian chart, or your chakra chart, or just, your multi-dimensional 12D shield chakras. And you're going to imagine those two little flames running through all the channels. I sometimes imagine it through my lymph, like all my lymph nodes have like these two flames moving through it. Or I imagine all the channels, and they have these little flames, they're all running through. And just allow yourself to breathe all of that, imagine that, feel the electric violet, feel the electric blue running through all of your channels as your whole being basically becomes these flames, these train tracks of electric violet and electric blue. And then you're going to choose a word or a sentence or something that you want cleared. And then you're going to find the energy imprint in your body. So here's some examples, things that I've done. I ask my body where it feels minimized, where it feels judged, where toxic wounds are, where holographic inserts are, where miasms or tagging, where I feel broken, where I feel not enough, where I feel parasites. Whatever it is, choose something to start, and then ask your body, where is it in my body? And then I feel personally little twinges. You might see something, you may notice it in a different way, but I'll feel like little twinges, and I'm like, okay, that's these toxic wounds in my body. You're welcome to go into it more, like what's the lesson behind this toxic wound, and go into like some journaling around it, or you can just transmute it. It may come back if it's a lesson, it may not, it may just be some stuff that's not yours to have anymore. Or you can even be like, what no longer serves my body anymore? And then you have to feel it in your body. You have to let yourself feel it. And then once you feel it, you imagine your violet flame in front of your body. And you say, Cosmic Mother God, please transmute and purify. And you see the word or the sentence or whatever it is you're doing, finding in your body, labeling that imprint, and you see it in the flame. And you say, Cosmic Mother God, please transmute and purify. Please transmute and clear and purify. Use your own words, transmute and purify. Very beneficial. Sometimes I add clearing in there. And then I like to see, like when that happens, it's like, feels like really intense. And I vibrate a little bit. And I like to imagine the little flames throughout my body of like, especially where the feeling is. Maybe it's somewhere deep in my leg or in my jaw or in my shoulders or something. And I imagine like those flames through the channels, like dancing through it. Like it's moving it, and it's doing a thing. And sometimes it expands outside of my body, these little like flames everywhere. And also in here, sometimes it's hard for me to see outside of my body. It's better if I just see the flame inside of me. And so whatever works for you, the flame outside of you, or just having like the flame come out of you, transmuting those feelings, maybe even taking the flame and moving it with your hands to the place in your body that you feel it, whatever works for you. Yeah. And so I usually do the activation a couple times. It took me a while to get the diamond flame body going. And I would just repeat it, all the steps, but now I just see the flame and I put the word in the sentence and I transmute and purify. Some other things that I do to strengthen my shield is I'll do some toning. I'll do Ki, Ra, Sha, or Maharata. Feels really good. I really like saying Maharata. And two other things that are really great, in case you want to call back your power and you want to do this work, you want to call back your power and you want to feel in your body, you want to transmute stuff, you can do return to rightful owner command. Sometimes I like to like reword, like I'll go through it and like reword stuff because maybe I don't like all the words used in the command, but generally keep it as is as much as you can. And the other day I was doing a lot of this work. I was pulling up, like I felt like timelines of like toxic crud out of my like energy bodies. And I was feeling like, I don't know, like something was like attacking me from the inside out. I don't know. It was a weird vibe. Excuse me. And I didn't know what to do. So I did the resign from the Moloch matrix, and that totally was like amazing. So I'll also link that below in case you want to do some of that work. All right. I hope this helped out, and I look forward to answering any questions or finding out how it went for you. Thank you. Talk to you later.